Okay, you do know that you left me alone with Mom, right?
Where are you? I'm in bed.
Are you serious? Mom's been planning this for a month. She's gonna be so pissed and complaining, and you know how she gets when she complains.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. You sound like death. Oh, I feel like it. Oh.
What? Are you okay?
There's a man in my bed. Excuse me? Holy he's hot.
Oh, no, you're such a liar. I bet he looks like a troll.
No, really, he's hot. Wow.
What?
Yeah, no, I don't believe you.
You gotta prove it.
Fine. There. That could be
Anyone, anywhere.
Oh, fine.
Make it a selfie.
Oh my god, I look horrible.
Just take it.
You sound like Mom. Oh, okay. Oh, I gotta go.
Hey.
Hey.